Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessy, and today is an exciting day because I am taking you to my very own building site here in Aburi, Ghana. I'm standing right in the heart of what will soon be a beautiful new neighborhood with several new homes going up in this development, including mine.
Building here, they would have cut in
A little bit more, yeah. But I could definitely see the change in the road because it was like really small and it was like grassy.
It was, It
was grassy, and now it's like a wide road, and they're putting the gutters on the side.
That's right.
Yeah.
They're going to put the bridges around.
Oh, they're gonna put bridges too.
Yeah, the bridges. You know, they're going to mount the bridges and cast.
Oh.
Concrete works.
Oh, okay. That's where the over here.
Yeah, that's what they are trying to take off the sand in the gutters for the flow of the waters.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
That's gonna be good. That's a lot of change from the last time I came.
Right. So let's say Monday they are going to cut our road for us.
Yay!
To the dam. So we are praying they will do those things for us Monday.
Okay, I'm praying so.
Daddy spoke to them to do it.
Okay, so that they should do it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then up here on the left, that's where the Guinea's president development is.
It's up there. The building is over there. You
Oh.
see that some walls going
Yeah, I
up
see
there.
some walls up there. So, okay, so that's where the Guinea's president place is. That's cool. Those are some cool neighbors to have.
You have so many.
Yeah.
Because you have so many from, I think the former president, those president that we had for over 16 years, for President Kufuor. He's also having some he has a land.
Oh yeah, the Ghanaian president. They told me he has a land over here, a big one.
And then JB Dankwa, the one who was killed in his room.
Okay, he has one too.
Yeah, his one is just at the edge of you see the building over there? That building, let me go back a bit.
A little bit. Okay. Yeah, see that road that they just carved was like this.
Yeah, it was just like
It was just like this. So they're gonna do this one next.
You see the building over there? The story building. The one just at the edge. When I'm taking you out, I will show you.
You'll show it to me. Okay, so then that'll be cool. Yeah, it used to be just like this. So now
it's open. So they will come and grade here.
Yeah.
Grade here. And then cut it so that we can get a flat level.
Okay. And then once that comes in, the cost of the homes must rise, I guess, because then you have the road network.
Yes.
Because right now you don't have the road network,
Sure.
but it's being put in.
Sure.
Okay, yeah. Love that. That was.
They've done a lot of the roads.
They've
now.
done. All of this was not even just this alone.
Yeah.
Talk less about deep down there.
So you have to get some breakfast before coming.
I should have, but I just had a mango and that was it.
This is for mosquitoes.
Yeah, you want one?
On here is just a repellent. They will just put it as a cream.
Yeah.
You use on the body, then they give you an effect on the body.
So this one is an essential oil. So it's essential oil that they put in it that the mosquitoes hate to keep them away.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's for American mosquitoes, that breed of mosquitoes, but it wouldn't work for Ghanaian ones.
General, you see that? Here the mosquitoes here are very stubborn.
Yeah, so let's see if it will work. Oh, it's a lady. Oh, cool. I can't wait to talk to her.
So, should I park here?
Wherever you think is best. You know, I'm not too sure
let me
myself.
park here.
Okay. And then we'll go down. I can put on my boots.
Go for it. You should go for it so that
We can park behind them. Okay, cool. Let me put on.
He said I should come.
And my boots are really good for the site. I love my boots.
Your boots are good.
Yeah, like they're a little dusty from the other day, but I'm gonna put them on now. What is this called? This
The
thing?
corner profile.
Corner profile. What
Yeah,
do you
this is
do?
only a pole that we are using for the setting out.
Oh, okay.
So tomorrow we are going to do the set out today.
Okay.
And then the workers will come in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're just marking for them.
That's right.
Okay, so this one and the blue line too.
The blue line is the setback. That's the fence wall.
Oh, this is where the fence wall is gonna
That's
be.
right.
Okay, so it's gonna be.
We're going to have the manhole here.
Okay, manhole.
That's a
here.
septic.
Septic. Okay.
Yeah. And then we have another septic here.
At the
For
other
the
end.
other building.
Okay, for my neighbor.
That's right.
Okay, my pool is gonna be
You
here.
have your pool here.
Okay.
Because this is where your fence is going to end.
Okay, so my fence is ending here.
Where the bag is.
Oh, where the bag is. That's where the fence. Oh.
So your pool is going to be around
This
here.
is your building, your area, the area of your building.
Yeah, so your building ends here.
Okay, so it ends here at the edge.
That's right.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
The pool would go here.
Yeah.
Okay. Like a small pool.
Yeah, it will be big. It will be.
Like a small, medium pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. You're having what?
Let me drop you.
You're gonna drop me off? Thank you. You're gonna come? You're gonna come?
Yeah, I'm going with you.
Okay, let's go. Come.
Where are you guys going?
Full customer service. Service. Come and drop me. Everybody just. I just want to see what the working day looks like. Yeah, like.
Can we go here? Let the people know you are serious on site.
Seriously on site. Oh, it was hard work though. It was hard work. It looked like an enjoyment, but it was work. You know, it's 90-something steps you have to do at that a Dome waterfalls that I went to yesterday. So
When I came here, we thought you are gone. Not knowing you are far ended.
I was there. I showed him the thing. You want to see it?
Are nice.
Let me.
So guys, this is just the beginning of my building journey, and I'll be taking you all along every step of the way, from foundation to finishing touches. If you're interested in learning more about living in Ghana, developing in Ghana, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Would you build in Ghana? Let me know why or why not. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.